We've been a customer of Langstaff for probably around 20-25 years. Well, we run a 100% DAF fleet, anywhere from 2016 LFs right up to the new XGs to the new XBs. We're a general haulier, but we also work with the pallet force network for overnight pallets. So keeping them on the road is priority. We buy more or less most things from Lancashire DAF, from trailer parts right through to just the stuff you can get off a dealer. They're a good supplier of parts. I have the use of web shop to be able to make sure they're in. We can usually get everything in within 24 hours. We get them early morning and we can usually get them fitted and back out within the same day.